Aman. This is Yogesh here from College Department. Congratulations on your placement. Please yourself.
Myself, Aman Sayed. I'm from Mumbai. I have completed my BMS, Bachelor's in Management Studies from Mumbai. And I have completed 3 months course of IDM, Interior Designing Management from CMTI.
Okay. What are the things you learned during your internship?
Sir, first of all, we have a lot of sessions like cut list, Vastu, safety rules, and AutoCAD, SketchUp. I have learned all these things. Site executive, project manager. I have learned all these things.
Okay. What about the site visit? Where and all you went? Experience center, factory?
We have visited 3 factories: Glamwood and Vishwa Panel Craft, and we have visited showrooms like Pepperfry, Aristo.
So can you just brief like what have you learned there after visiting?
I have gained knowledge about the panels and units, how it works, the factory process, and the kitchen models in a showroom, and gain knowledge about the kitchens and hardwares. We have all seen this.
Okay. And which are the softwares you learned here?
AutoCAD, Revit, and SketchUp, and 2 extensions, V-Ray and Enscape.
So how was the support from the trainers?
It's very good, sir. From start to end, they have a lot of support.
Okay. What about the support from the coordinators back office?
It's good, sir.
And what about the HR support? Anyway, you got the placement through us. So how was the HR support? How was the HR guidance?
They have given the interview questions, and what they have given, the interviewer asked that questions. Yeah, HR supports a lot.
So tell me your preparation for the interview. And how many interviews you went?
Only one, and I got selected.
Yeah. So first interview only you cracked it.
Yes.
Good, yeah. Okay. So what was the preparation from your end? Anyway, we have given the guidance, but you have done your preparation also, right? Before attending the interview. What was the preparation? How you are prepared for the interview?
First, I have given a test here. Test of AutoCAD and softwares, and project manager, site executive. I have given the test of unit conversion, metric units, unit conversion. All I have given the test. Then I have prepared here, and then I cracked the interview.
So you took the test and then you recalled all the information, all the sessions what you attended.
Yes.
Okay, good. And finally, like what are the things you learned here which you have not learned during your college?
Cut list. First of all, the cut list, and the detailed knowledge about softwares, AutoCAD, SketchUp. I've learned this, and site executive, role of site executive, and the project manager, and Vastu.
Okay, so these are things you have learned.
Yes.
Which you are not aware when you were there at the college. Fine. Finally, what do you like to say to the students who would like to join CMTI?
Yes, we can join CMTI. It's a best platform to learn and gain experience. We all got selected. Me and my friends all got selected, and I'll suggest to join CMTI.
Fine. Thank you for your time, Aman. Wishing you good luck for your future. Congratulations again on your placement.
Thank you, sir.